Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reduce data usage on Android. So if your Android phone consumes a lot of data and now you want to reduce your data usage or set a limit to your data usage on your phone, then here's the video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reduce data usage on your Android phone, all you need to do is first go ahead and open your Android phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on connections or mobile data, and then click on data usage. Once turn on data usage, the first you want to do is you want to set a data limit and data warning. So go ahead and click on billing cycle and data warning. Then turn on set data warning. Then tap data warning and set your data warning for the month. So what this does is it's going to set a limit for the total amount of data you can use for that particular month. You can set this in megabyte and you can set this in gigabyte. Then once set, go ahead and click on set. Then again, set data limit. So this is your data warning. Then if you want to set data limit, the maximum you can use for the month, turn on set data limit and click on data limit. Here you can set this to 25, you can set this to 30. Then click on this drop menu, choose megabyte or gigabyte, and then click on set. Now, what this does is you'll be warning that you've exceeded 20 gigabyte once your Samsung phone mobile data exceeded 20 gigabyte data usage, and the maximum you can use is 30 gigabytes for the month. So this is your billing cycle start every first day of the month. Then hit the back button. Again, you want to repeat this on your second SIM if you have a dual SIM Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, while still on the main data usage page, locate and click on allow networks for apps. Now you should see all the applications that are going to use either your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. Now for you to reduce data usage on your Android, click on most of the applications you have here. Then set this to Wi-Fi only. With this, you will be able to control or minimize your data usage on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if there is no need for any of these applications to access your mobile data, then go ahead and disable it. So you can just disable this by setting this to Wi-Fi only, and after that hit the back button. Now once you have all of this in place, then you can be rest assured that this is going to reduce how your Android phone consume data for the month, and then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to reduce data usage on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.